KK Latu. KK Latu. KK Latu. KK Latu. Selamat kembali bersama kami di Nak KK Latu bersama saya Aidil Jofre.
Saya Alfa Fuad.
Dan podcast ini ditaja oleh Frida Ejen Masyarakat. Kalau nak beli, jual atau sewa rumah, sila hubungi beliau di 918-24201.
Frida Ejen Masyarakat. Kalau call, pasti angkat. Untuk masyarakat, kalau tipu, tidak berkat.
Alright, selamat kembali.
Selamat kembali dan jangan lupa follow kami di TikTok, Instagram dan juga YouTube. Subscribe kita di Spotify.
Street. Lama aku tak dengar kau cakap nama saya Alfa Fuad.
Lama. Kau pernah lupa diri lah.
Oh, yelah. Jangan lupa if you want to kita dah tahu new season dah start. All the EPL, La Liga, the
Serie
French
A.
League, Serie A. Tepi.
Apa? Okay, kalau German League panggil apa?
Bundesliga.
Bundesliga.
Yes. Okay, kalau you can get your jerseys at Western Corp.
Yeah guys, come on. Buy the original.
Don't buy the fakes one. Okay, we have stores at Queensway, Tampines, Vivo tak ada. Tampines, Jewel
Peninsula tak ada ya?
Peninsula,
ya.
Yeah. So you can get all the latest jersey right there, right now.
Korang boleh nampak ID dekat Kingsway. Korang nak jumpa aku dekat Jewel.
Ni kira kalau bos tengok terus bos hire terus hire. Okay, tomorrow you ask you report jual lah.
Mampus aku.
Hari-hari ke jual. Tak sanggup. Mak kata Awi, tak sanggup lagi
aku pergi Apple lagi. Jumpa Apiok. Tak nak aku.
Okay, so thank you so much for coming back. Macam Fuad tadi cakap, jangan lupa follow kita kat TikTok dan juga Instagram. Follow kita dan juga subscribe kita di Spotify dan juga YouTube.
Okay. Darwa.
Okay, so as you guys know, we lost the semi-finals.
Yeah.
But
we won the semi-final.
No. We lost. Kalau if you want to take it as a whole, we lost.
We lost,
But we won the game. We won
so
the
how you want to explain to your kids? We won, but we lost.
We won, but not enough.
Not enough.
Okay, but
we're
gonna give credit to the Lions for giving the 150 or 200 and 300%.
No one clap. No clap.
So congratulations Lions, you've gone so far. This team I think is quite a good team.
Quite good team.
Yes.
Oh, very very good.
Very very good. With
how they play everything different from the last time.
With Gavin's tactics and all that,
correct.
aku rasa it's one of the best I've seen.
The best. Aku puas hati walaupun menang 2-1. Memang sedih tak go through, tapi aku dengan wife aku tengok puas hati lah.
But we've not won Thailand for how many years already?
Like
how many games you mentioned? 10 games.
10 to 11 games lah. Kita kalah kat jalan besar 11 lah.
Yeah. So after 11 games we won Thailand.
Yeah.
In that game.
Yes.
We got 2-1 up. The Stewart brothers scored both.
Yeah. What a good goal.
Yeah, Raihan was the man of the match.
Yes.
And I think this team will go far. We got the ASEAN Cup and we got Asian Cup in January.
Yeah. So ASEAN Cup will be a full squad.
With Safwan coming back.
Yeah.
Iksan. Jordan.
Correct.
So these are some of
the I hope Faris Ramli will be back.
Hopefully, because he's starting to he started pre-season with Tampines.
Yes.
I think he's gonna come back by the ASEAN Cup. Yeah, I think he's gonna be back. And we have enforcement like Jordan and Safwan, very vital position yang kita rasa very important lah. Sometimes that one person will make a difference.
Yes.
And I think let's talk about the journey of this AFF Hyundai Cup 2026 from the start. I think before even the Hyundai Cup start pun kita dah nampak yang diorang boleh
dah lain.
Team ni dah lain.
Dah superb lah.
Dia macam cara diorang main dah bukan Singapore yang kita kenal.
Yang sebelum yang si apa coach tu datang tu?
Tok Suma Ogura.
Yang
rambut putih tu.
Sebelum dia pun sama juga. The game was like you have to pump, counter attack pump, tak ada macam build up from the back.
Macam orang cakap we are not brave enough to hold the ball.
Yes. Tu macam orang dah macam malas nak tengok seorang main bola. But after giving take over the team aku cakap lain. Really lain. So
aku tak nak cakap yang Singaporean ni nak tunggu the team perform baru nak support lah.
Tak. Sebab macam mana cakap
I mean there's difference in terms of playing style.
Yes.
And we are not straightforward yang dapat bola terus pump attack cari orang.
Sebab kita tahu team kita, player kita ni boleh main. So kita nak tengok, walaupun kalau kita nak tengok korang main macam mana, korang punya style of play yang korang mesti pegang bola, hantar, make a right decision, brave enough to take the person. True. The passion of playing football. Bila fans datang, kau tahu yang fans datang tengok sekarang ni, aku tu macam gila babi tau.
Yeah, of course.
Different macam daripada dulu, macam kata kan kita lah dengan jersey baru. Sorry ni Man U punya jersey. Salah, sorry. dengan kita punya jersey baru, launch semua, everything like, wah, aku rasa macam Singapore is there.
And yeah, I'm working at that point of time dekat Queensway when the jersey launch.
So aku nak tanya kau ni, macam kau dah kerja kat Western dah lama apa?
Yeah.
So beza tak time jersey launch, time Nike dengan sekarang Adidas?
Okay, beza memang ada, but I'm not being biased towards Adidas ke apa lah. But at that point of time, bila Nike, maybe let's say 3-4 years ago, last year and 3-4 years ago kan, when jersey keluar, ada orang cari. Bukan tak ada. But dia akan sold out, but it sold out slowly.
Okay.
Pasal ada macam competition macam ni, macam AFF ni semua. That's why people buy to wear it to the stadium and to watch the game. Tapi the difference that aku nampak in this Adidas is because I think also because of our football punya ini dah is growing up, is coming up balik.
It's coming up, yeah.
After our qualification to the Asian Cup.
Yes.
And then how our team play now,
yes.
how brave that we are holding the game. Macam hari tu kita kalah kat Jalan Besar Stadium dengan Thailand pun, kita punya we were controlling the
control,
ball.
kita attack. Cuma tak ada nasib lah, kita kena counter attack. Tu something that they were
that the team have to work about the counter attack and stuff like that. Aku rasa we were doing well even at Jalan Besar Stadium. And it's just that the third quarter tu tak ada rezeki.
Kita third quarter tak ada rezeki sikit.
So we don't need to talk about the penalty miss. I mean penalty is everyone have missed before.
Yeah, betul.
So
aku tak pernah miss.
Even Ronaldo miss penalty
Ronaldo
before.
the best player.
So if professional can miss, I mean, if big team players in Europe can miss, why no other people cannot miss? I mean,
but you got miss penalty before?
Yes. I honest.
Yeah.
I honest.
Last time I go close eye.
Okay. So technically, like, who is your best player in the team that performs well in this tournament?
Come on lah, bro.
Siapa?
Come on lah. Kau tahu aku nak cakap siapa kan?
Ilhan.
Jacob Mala.
Jacob Mala. Okay.
Ilhan kan ada pun one side dia memang fantastic. So macam yang Jacob dah lama lah. Cuma pada aku this time dia memang baik lah. Yang baru naik macam Noah Adam.
Noah Adam, yeah, that's one to watch.
Aku panggil dia Roberto Carlos lah siya.
Kecil-kecil
Yang lawan dekat Thailand tu, wah, dia guragas. Dah lah padang lecak. Kau boleh ke nak challenge macam gitu? Aku cakap, dia ni gila lah siya.
People will underestimate the size. Kalau orang tak kenal dia.
Dia masih macam
dia masuk.
And dia tak ada macam segan-segan minta bola. Tak ada segan macam nak marah player depan ke siapa, relax ke apa. Macam dia ni superb lah.
Yes, Adam. Jurong represent.
Dia Jurong kan?
Ya, budak Jurong.
Oh, lama. Lambat. So, kan first game dia tak main.
Correct.
Dia main. Dia tukar half time dengan Ryan Stewart.
Left back. Sorry, first game saya tak tengok.
Oh, betul. Saya faham. Tu first game First game. Aku tengok, dia ni laju. Bapak laju.
That first goal yang Harris Stewart-nya goal pun, it was the ball from him to Fahan yang goalkeeper keluar. Adam yang kasih kan?
Adam kasih Kyoga yang kasih through ball.
Bukan Adam yang kasih?
Bukan. Dia bola tu nak hilang. Adam challenge dia tu terpelanting. Adam
okay.
kasih Kyoga kasih macam Kyoga cantik. Aku tak Fahan Zulkifli. Keeper keluar. Pandai si Fahan ni. Dia cukai je. Nanti bola sikit bola tu keluar. Harris Stewart shoot. Aku dah pakai macam orang gila. Come on. Boleh. Semangat lah.
Kira jadi coach kat rumah.
Aku jadi Kevin Melayu.
Okay.
Aku kan cakap These two lah. Aku macam favourite dengan diorang lah. Bini aku tanya lah. Ilham Fandi handsome Ya 10 kali kata-kata dia. Ni Ilham Fandi Farisha. Bye-bye Ilham Fandi. Shut up, sleep. Okay. Untuk kau siapa?
I would say Shah is one of the ones that I like to watch.
Okay.
Pasal dia
Destroyer.
not only I mean kau tahu aku macam mana dulu
Apa kau nak bawa macam Aziz
Yeah, so I like hard players like you know Pepe,
Tapi dia tak gaduh. Dia tak gaduh.
Yalah I understand. So aku suka bila dia defend for the team. You know, he put his body on the line and all that.
Coba tumbuk tahu. Itu hari kita salam Syah. Kita salam Syah itu hari. Relax. Kalau buat kita salam tahu. Relax.
Syah is one, and like you say Adam. And I mean Ilhan needs to be given credit also. He scored in every game except for the last game in Thailand lah.
Yes. Dia dah cramp.
Yeah. So I mean, he is also wants to watch like how his brothers grow also.
Yeah.
I think he will get more minutes coming to Asian Cup yang we are playing against big players. I think his physicality will help us in front.
Kau tahu dia paling tinggi antara dia.
Yeah. So dia boleh jadi Lukaku lah kan. Hold bola. Center forward ni job lah.
Abang dia nak tekan sikit kasi badan dia besar. Tapi besar.
Itu hari Irfan dah kat atas
tu dah last. Tapi aku tahu vision dia dah tak berapa nampak sangat. Sebab koyak kan,
dia dapat satu heading tu yang direct tu.
tapi dia kan ada koyak kat sini. Very deep. So
you know very deep. How deep?
Deep. Dia cakap aku deep Dia call aku.
Buat saya call.
Bini aku tunjuk. Bini tu kesian si Irfan. Dalam dalam siap. Pasal bila dah dalam kau jahit, kau tampal lagi ni memang vision kau memang tak nampak lagi ni
Macam mana? Tengok.
Aku nak cakap susah pula. Susah juga tu, tak boleh.
Okay, we talk too much about the people that is always in front, like the first 11 and stuff like that. Why not we turn our attention to the bench?
Okay, bench.
Yang kita tak dapat pakai and mungkin diorang
aku actually
maybe needs to step up and be seen. Nathan Mau is of course good, but macam aku cakap, our physicality kecil. But he got speed. Maybe he use him as super sub is good. Nathan Mau is one, and then we don't see the likes of
siapa? Mustafiq Farudin.
Bukan. Macam Joel Chu tak main.
Joel Chu.
Raul Suhaimi, all these youngsters lah. I mean they are good players also. And I think in the next friendlies pun aku rasa diorang akan dapat chance to play. Because I think these kids macam how Irfan, Iksan apa yang ada sangkut
Betul. Sabar share batuk.
So siapa ni buat pasal aku ni?
Cik. Kita sama. Tak apa. Off air aku cakap.
Okay. So yeah, aku rasa they can also make an impact, but they have to show also in the first place.
Betul lah.
So macam Joel Chu ni semua, I think they have the talent, you know. Cuma like I always say, the problem is always our physique
Untuk dorang kasih dorang macam geram aku tak dapat main. Tapi kalau dorang mental dorang bagus, buat aku lagi macam rasa macam hunger untuk mainan. So the next apa ke friendly ke apa game ke, kalau kau dapat chance untuk main, kau nak kena prove.
Correct.
Macam Nur Adam
Yeah.
Boom. Terus next first 11. Ini kau fall duit tau.
And I think the likes of I'm not saying no offense to Lionel or Raihan Stewart, tapi aku rasa there's another alternative of right back, which is Mamat Zulkarnain Suzliman. I mean, aku tak tahu kenapa dia tak dapat. Mungkin he just came back from injury or whatsoever reason yang dia tak dapat. But I think he has the speed. He has a good chance to be in the team as an alternative. I mean, Lionel is also good, a hard defender. But
dia pun dah lama juga main tu.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Tapi pada aku, like, the wing backs that
we need a wing back.
Macam Adam, Raihan, you know. Lionel is okay. It's just that
He's not a wing back.
He's not a wing back. He's a centre back.
Centre back.
So I'm not too sure why they put him there. But aku rasa if not Raihan, I think the next one is Mamat tu.
Sebab lawan Thailand, the last game, Ryan start dulu tau.
Yeah, of course. Ada tak player yang kau rasa patut dalam team tapi tak ada? Selain pada injured players or player yang tak dapat balik.
Alamak, siapa tu?
Siapa?
Aku dah lupa. Dia main right back.
Right back. Farid Samit.
Pantat kau. Tak boleh lah. Batch kita pun dah habis lah. Dah habis.
Apa dah habis? Habis Izzuan tu apa?
Keeper. Untuk aku macam, untuk starting 11, tak boleh lah. Aku dah lupa siapa nama dia. Kan tengok.
Defender?
Aku itu baru
Nazrul Nazari?
Bukan batch kita. Dia yang aku dah lupa. Tak apa. Forget it dah.
Apa Rahul Suhaimi? Rahul Suhaimi ada apa? How young is young? Young.
Okay, one of them is Rahul Suhaimi lah. Apa yang kau tahu aku?
Okay. I mean Taufik Supano is also one more striker yang kita tak dapat.
Dia sign.
Siapa?
Taufik. Dia sign tim baru
Bukan.
Tanjung Pagar.
Tanjung Pagar. Tim baru.
Ya. Tim baru baru menang. Island White baru menang. Sorry. Amin score apa? Saya boleh.
Dia kena sepak.
Kena sepak.
Kena sepak kuat je. Golek-golek Neymar. Nampak sangat ni Neymar punya fan. Dia golek-golek kelakar.
Aku tengok yang sepak member aku. Yang kena sepak pun member aku.
Tak ada. Dia dah golek-golek ke sana. Dia golek-golek sini balik.
Kalau aku jadi member aku yang sepak aku pijat lagi.
Kau jangan perangai jangan acai.
Acai wow dia tak.
Acai tu dah tak habis-habis nak cari flag kat dia. So yeah, I mean let's just dig in a bit more. Who would you in that team yang kita ada in that Hyundai Cup team tu? Who is your best 11? Name your best 11. Tak biarlah Izzuan lah. The
play
ada 4-3-3.
Oh tak, means yang that
apa yang selected?
Oh, apa yang selected? Okay. Izzuan, keeper lah. Sorry Syazwan, sorry. Apa yang Syazwan cakap itu hari betul lah. Tapi nasib baik Izzuan tak ada dekat. Dia tu dive.
Oh ya.
Aku dah ni macam Syazwan dia nak main.
Betul.
Okay, Izzuan. Center back. Irfan Fandi, Jacob Mala.
Okay.
Left back Nur Adam. Right back Ryan Stewart. 4-3-3 kan. Biasalah Syah Syairan, Kyoga, Haris Stewart, left Syawal. Apa tu lah? Left wing Syawal. Striker Ilhan. Right will be Song. Tak. Aku geram. Glenn Kuih. Kuih tu kuih cawan. Okay, Glenn Kuih. Okay, go.
So macam tadi kau cakap I will put Irfan dengan Jacob Mala. Okay. Aku nak letak Irfan dengan Lionel tapi a bit risky. So aku rasa aku letak Irfan dengan Jacob Mala.
So Jacob laju.
And Jacob is not a defender. His natural position is to midfielder.
Center mid. Tapi boleh main center back lah.
Yeah. Adam and Raihan almost the same lah, Mat. Aku akan letak tadi kau ni siapa? Haris,
Syah,
Kyoga
dah ada saya.
Okay, betul. Aku akan letak Kyoga, Syah CDM, Kyoga dengan Song. Left is Syawal, Glenn, Ilhan.
Oh, Haris kau siapa ni?
Haris nanti lah second half lah. I mean, aku tak cakap dia tak bagus. This is just my preference. Okay. Preference. Aku tak cakap siapa tak bagus.
Tak, kalau aku Song kalau tak lagi 10 minutes.
Tak, Song start okay. Dia tak mau masuk second half.
Tapi member aku suka letak Haris Harun main center mid.
Okay. I mean, good effort. I mean, we've seen they put their bodies on the line. They put all their blood and sweat in the last game to make sure that they...
Kalau boleh sub 10 main tau. 10 main gila babi. Faham tak?
And we can see that they really want to win it because technically we won the game 2-1. You know, if that I mean the ball is round, the football we can't expect things like that. So that penalty it happens in the game. Tapi if kalau penalty tu tak ada, mungkin it's already a tie lah, right? Yeah, but it happens.
Kalau dulu orang mesti kutuk, alah korang main gini lah. Tapi this time
menang. Aku nampak satu Facebook post tu.
Okay,
lepas kita kalah dengan Thailand dekat Jalan Besar.
Okay.
Aku ada orang tua ni dia Facebook friend aku, tapi aku lupa mana aku kenal dia. Dia kata, don't talk about Singapore football to me until we can beat Thailand.
Bro, now we beat Thailand. Now anything you want to say? Anything you want to say or not?
Yeah. I mean, come on lah guys. Memang aku rasa it's very hard to have. Aku ada je kawan yang aku pernah bilang kau yang tak support Singapore football, you know. Pasal diorang kata, lepas era Fandi Ahmad, Singapore dah kuyup. I mean, we all have that one friend or two friend yang tak support. But I'm thankful that I can still see people supporting Singapore football. And now I think
more people.
More people supporting is one. We always turn out for the national games. Why not we try and support our own league also?
Yeah, correct.
Okay lah. For a start, watch the games. It's always on YouTube. It's always on MeWatch. It's free. Kau tak payah apply apa-apa pun. Tak payah bayar pun. As a start, tengok kat situ mungkin it gives you an interest to even go to the stadium and watch. Go to the nearest stadium maybe. Maybe Tampines Hub is one, Jurong East Stadium. Now Bedok Stadium, Geylang is back at Bedok Stadium.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, so there's always a stadium near you. Maybe you can bring your kids yang suka tengok bola rather than just sitting at home, get the atmosphere, the stadium and all that. We need to do it as a country, yeah. If not, no one will.
Satu nada, satu suara.
Okay,
aku dah benda nak cakap. Okay, when come to national team bola, kalau pergi tengok bola tu, if can, tolonglah pakai baju merah. Baju biru. Sekarang aku nak tanya kau, purple tu siapa?
I know where this is going.
Tu purple siapa team Nila tu? I want to know who the hell are they?
Dia
aku
kira department, Mat.
Okay, I know department.
I'm not too sure if they are volunteers. Kalau korang tahu tim Nila ni apa, korang komen bilang kita.
Bukan aku nak kutuk.
Kita bukan nak kutuk. Tapi diorang macam volunteers that kena pakai uniform tu.
Okay, I know. But come on now. Can you like give a red jersey ke apa?
This one I have to agree because kau
I
macam
know that's purple is represent your logo or your company or whatever lah kan. But when come to like this
national games,
tolonglah pakai baju merah.
Yeah, to show your support lah at least. I mean it's good that you are at the stadium already. But pakailah merah. I mean when TMSG posted that thing, I think I got to agree with him because everybody is wearing red. Except for you guys.
Even got this one uncle wear, Uniqlo t-shirt tau.
Red. So, I mean, as a team, as a department or whatsoever you call it, aku rasa it is you are ought to wear red on that game, and as much as you want to show you are from Team Nila or whatever, just have a t-shirt that has Nila's logo and make it red. That's it.
Nila belakang dah.
Or maybe letak besar-besar. Korang nak bilang semua orang yang korang dari Team Nila. Letak belakang Team Nila. But make the t-shirt red.
Make sure Nila bukan Mila.
Team Mila. Mila Avatar. Okay. I think that thing bila, and then one of them also tunjuk TMSG, one of budak Team Nila bila tunjuk TMSG a message yang dia pernah tanya, can we wear red instead of purple tu? Nanti kau pergi tengok. Dia message dia punya macam dia punya group ke apa, can we wear red instead of purple tu? Tak boleh, nak kena pakai purple tu.
Pasal bila aku tengok Thailand
macam mata sakit kan?
Sakit macam tengok musibat. Korang siapa? Bila aku kat luar stadium, ni ada volunteer ke apa? Bagus ni. Ni Ni siapa ni?
Dia macam dekat
Adakah korang yang bos yang beli tiket tu?
Diorang tiket free aku rasa.
Ha?
Tak tahu lah.
Free. Sibuk jalan. Kasi orang yang tengok nak beli. Alamak.
Tak tahu. Aku agak je. Aku tak sure if it's free.
Maybe bukan kau seorang yang anggap. Maybe ada lagi 100,000 orang yang anggap juga benda yang sama. So
chill.
tak ada sakit. Merah putih merah biru.
Merah melati.
Purple.
Putih delima.
Siapa sakit hati dengan purple ni belah.
Oh, by the way, Akram, if you are watching and listening, thank you for dealing the cards with me. Aku tengah deal card dekat Carousel. Aku nak jual card aku. Jadi diorang transfer duit kan.
Okay.
Terus nampak nama apa. Ni abang yang kekek lah tu dekat Carousel. Aku terkejut. Atas sampai Carousel lah. Belum nampak muka aku pun.
Okay guys, kalau boleh subscribe.
Subscribe lah Carousel saya. Follow.
Nak pino jangan 1 nombor 2. Nak pino 2.
Okay.
Nanti boleh diam lah.
Okay, let's just the last part of this episode kita berbual pasal ni lah, Mat. EPL dah nak start.
Okay.
Mat.
Yeah.
All the best to all the teams.
Iya, masa-masanya besok game lah. Besok lah.
Malam ni
Malam ni
first game.
Aku Arsenal lagi malam ni.
Tak tahu siapa lawan Coventry dah. Man City kan?
Coventry.
Coventry
bukan Coventry nama dia.
Whatever Asia Malay.
Gua kampung apa?
So yeah, EPL is gonna start. Are you happy with what Man United have bought?
Oh yeah. The last name is Baleba.
From Brighton.
Yes, Brighton.
Yes, I think last season dia ada dapat main lah. Aku nampak macam quite fast lah this player. Very small and short kan.
Yes, and actually last season nak beli, cuma terlalu mahal.
Oh, is it?
70 million.
Habis this year dia kasih diskaun ke apa?
Diskaun. Diorang pakai ni yang charge card kalau orange.
Kesian menu sampai kena charge card
Pastilah. Habis bayar gaji player-player on loan semua lagi nak bayar. Tu Onana.
Rashford main boleh
Yes. Bagus lah. It's good lah.
Dapat 14. Nombor 14.
Dia nak stay nama yang Thierry Henry daripada Barcelona dia cakap.
Yelah. Isap je. Okay. Onana?
Apa dia?
Masih kat Trabzonspor tu.
Onana sekarang dengan Mo Salah jadi best friend.
Rambut dia tetap macam itu
Tak tahu. Mo Salah shoot. Onana boleh save.
Rambut dia selalu aku teringat siapa tau?
Siapa?
Abhishek. Kau imagine. Kau dengar tak? Okay, kau tutup mata. Abang tak akan dengar lah.
Kalau abang dengar abang, tak maaf abang. Memang sama.
Tak. Okay, kau tutup mata. Okay, sekarang aku nak imagine kau imagine muka Onana dengan rambut dia kan.
Okay.
Kamera tengah pan down tau. Daripada atas rambut dia turun sampai muka dia Mat, tengok aku dulu. Kira kamera tengah pan down dari rambut turun muka Aku nak kau imagine. Okay, tutup mata. Okay, sekarang kamera tengah pan down. Rambut dia macam Abhishek. Okay, sampai kat muka Hans Hamid. Cuma dia lagi gelap je. Kau letak rambut Abhishek dengan Hans Hamid di muka. Aku nak try lah. Nanti aku nak try edit.
Hans, kau tengok musibat ni kan. Aku tak terfikir pasal kau orang tu dah sacok. Walaupun dia botak, dia sacok tau.
Sorry.
Badan cantik. Nanti jumpa nanti Okay. Jumpa
Oh, jangan lupa kalau nak beli tiket Halloween di Halloween Horror Nights, buy lah the early bird tickets, dia lagi murah. Jangan lupa lah. Itu je nak cakap. Okay.
Itu nanti lain episod kita boleh berbual.
So yeah. Apa kita cakap tadi? Selain daripada Baleba tu,
Tielemans.
Tielemans is a good buy.
Andre Santos. And dulu dia ada goalkeeper from Leeds United. Aku tak tahu kenapa dia beli.
I mean that keeper, dia keding-keding pun dia bagus pada aku.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how about Liverpool?
Okay, Liverpool lebih complicated. Macam biasa. Liverpool memang kadang-kadang merepek, kadang-kadang terkejut. Dia macam drama, dah hidup lah. Drama hidup.
But good centre back tu alone.
Of course, kita memang perlukan centre back because Gomez is always injured. Dia kira macam kalau kat NS, yang suka saikang bagi-bagi kat medical center. Macam tiap-tiap bulan, tiap-tiap minggu macam tu. kau baru booking hari Sunday malam, Monday dekat medical center.
Oh, dah light duty.
Light duty. Okay. So Gomez macam gitu. So technically Konate dah keluar, tinggal Van Dijk, Gomez. Siapa lagi ah? Oh, Leo yang itu last season datang dari Parma tapi first game terus dah ACL.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. So kita ada Van Dijk, kita ada Gomez, kita ada Leo. Dengan last season kita beli Jacquard ni daripada Lens I forgot what French club Jacquard ni. But kita dah beli, kita kasih dia loan stay kat club dia satu season.
Okay.
So he just came. And Araujo from Barcelona, it's on loan, kita tak beli. So technically,
but option to buy, right?
Option to buy. Yeah. So technically kita ada 5 minus Gomez.
4.5 lah, 4.5.
Tak, 3.5. Leo baru balik ACL.
Oh, okay. 3.5. Okay.
3.5. So, okay. I think defender kita punya depth ada.
Okay.
We got Tsimikas back from loan, Roma. Tsimikas ada, besar Robertson dah keluar kan, Spurs. So, Tsimikas is covering Kekes. Right back kita ada Frimpong. And apa nama budak tu dia satu.
Will he play right back or right wing back?
Liverpool has been playing right wing back. Liverpool tak main right back, left back.
Dengan coach baru ni.
Yeah. Bournemouth main macam gitu apa?
Tu juga. Will be the same ah.
Yeah, he will be the same dengan Bradley. Yes, Conor Bradley. So Conor Bradley pun tengah injured, so don't know if he's, that's why last season Szoboszlai asyik kena kat right back kan.
Yes.
So hopefully he's going to come back strong. And then our centre mid no difference. I think kita akan tetap stay with whatever we have last season.
Yeah.
McAllister, Szoboszlai and Gravenberch. To me, that's a perfect 3 for me.
Timo Haman,
Patrick Berger. So, now the one that aku nak tengok is Victor Munoz. Yes, from yang baru menang World Cup dengan Spain. So, he's fast, short. Dia macam Sean Wright Phillip.
So, tu Ikitihe, apa nama?
Dia baru nak balik injury juga. Dia injury pun 6 bulan, 7 bulan.
Si siapa?
Isak. Yeah. What I see from pre-season is I think better because belakang dia Florian Wirtz.
Okay.
Last season siapa nama Ancelotti suka pakai dekat tepi.
Okay.
Tapi dia magician kat tengah. Dia ibarat Luis Garcia dulu tau Mat. Yang
cuma hitam lah.
Wirtz putih Jerman lah.
Isak lah.
So Isak is depan dia belakang Isak je tau. He is the magician too. So I mean if really works, then we will see the best of Florian Wirtz. Okay. Because last season dia hype sangat beli mahal tapi orang semua kutuk apa?
Ya.
Tak ada magic pun bila dia main. So maybe tactic tu wasn't good for him. Because bila dia pergi Germany, dia hat-trick semua sia.
Ya.
That's why it's a bit weird when he come back to Liverpool and don't perform.
Kita tengok macam mana.
Yeah, left dengan right, I think it's still Gakpo tak tahu kalau Spurs confirm nak beli.
Gakpo, Spurs nak beli Gakpo.
Yeah, so other news from other clubs, I think macam
kau youngsters ya. Rio
yang semua confirm akan dapat main. Ya, pasal
aku lebih letak dia wing.
Ya, pasal that time last year some people don't understand that kenapa dia tak selalu dapat main because dia belum 18 ke ada benda yang dia tak boleh main more than berapa minit.
Kontrak.
Sebab tu dia tak boleh main full 90 minit, dia tak boleh selalu main. Pasal there's a limit yang dia boleh main in 1 week.
Yes.
Pasal dia masih sekolah. So that's the thing that some people don't understand. Memang if that time Salah wasn't performing, aku rela letak Rio.
Sama juga macam play kau beli ni, kau nak kena kasih dia hit this minutes untuk main tau.
Ya. Tapi dia ada cap limit untuk main dalam seminggu. That means dia tak boleh main full 90 minutes. Yeah. And in other news, aku very disappointed tengok. Macam first time aku tengok Man City kena rabak macam gitu.
Sia 3-0.
Dia bukan reserve team pun tau. Goalkeeper Donnarumma sia.
First 11. Semua first 11.
Berapa saat Kalafiori dah score? Bukan striker tau yang score.
So aku rasa Arsenal
It's still a good team. Diorang tak banyak changes lah. But it's still a good team.
Good team, yes.
Yeah, it was shocking. Maybe Man City nak elect tak nak main.
Tapi Rodri dah tak ada. Pep dah tak ada.
One team doesn't make a difference, man. One player doesn't make a difference, man.
Pep dah tak ada.
Okay, Pep tactical wise maybe Maresca tactical.
Habis yang coach baru tu
Bernardo Silva pun dah tak ada.
Banyak. Bernardo dia Pep tak ada. Rodri dah tak ada.
Curtis Jones pergi Inter Milan Curtis Jones. Macam weird aku tengok dia pakai baju lain. Kelakar weh. Jet Spence left back England yang Spurs yang left back. Jet Spence yang rambut
tahu
yang Islam tu pun dah pergi Inter.
Inter Milan yes. Dia yang pakai
yes correct.
Aku tahu.
Dia main hoki. Salah, water polo. And Man City, Arsenal, siapa lagi ada big buy, no big buy. I forgot to say about how exciting it is to have Liverpool is trying to get the 2 wingers from PSG and buy dengan Bradley Barcola.
Berapa juta tu nak beli?
Bradley tak salah PSG minta 120 million.
Sialah.
Yang bayar aku tak tahu berapa.
Berat je 120.
Bradley Barcola betul lah nama dia. Yang ada misai habis rambut Snoop Dogg.
Tapi PSG nak lepaskan dia.
Tak, memang dia dah tak nak sign kontrak dengan PSG. Dia nak keluar. Tapi yang bayar tu aku tak tahu. But it's exciting because aku suka cara dia main bila dekat PSG lah. Kvaratskhelia aku when he was at Napoli, aku
tengok dia
just
macam
hoping that Liverpool nak beli. Tapi kenapa tak ada orang nak beli dia? Sampai PSG dapat.
Ya PSG dapat dulu. Aku tengok berlaju dia.
Bagus gila tu.
Dia sprint macam ada 4 kaki.
Tak, bola melekat kaki dia.
Dia apa country
tak. Dia start dengan A.
Bukan.
Aku alamak lupa. Bukan
dia country bahasa kau tengok tak kenal dia.
Dia punya flag burung. Ada burung.
Tak tahu.
Tak apalah.
Lupakan.
Tapi kita akan I think it's another exciting season yang kita akan tunggu-tunggu. Kau main FPL tak?
Malas aku. Sibuk FPL every week ni update.
Mana tu kita boleh buat nak kekek lah tu league. Kasih orang join.
Kau buat. Boleh lah. Sakit kepala aku lah.
Ya. Okey lah. Itu saja.
Banyak mana bikin. Rasa siapa menang this year? Champion.
Very hard. Still very hard. Kau kasih aku sampai Christmas aku bilang siapa boleh menang.
Okay, kalau aku predict Arsenal
menang lagi.
Predict Arsenal lah.
Kalau kau tanya aku akan jadi baik. Aku nak Liverpool menang of course.
Kalau baik aku pun nak Man U menang.
Exactly.
Tapi
aku tak akan cakap dari mulut aku Arsenal akan menang lagi.
Takkan lah. Pasal dah serik
Tak, pasal aku bingit dengan fans dia. Macam kita cakap dengan episod kita. Aku tak suka fans dia.
Tak semua. Tapi ada satu recently yang merepek dengan Evra.
Itulah aku post.
You scared of Dembele or Declan Rice corner? Ni corner kick ni.
Raya aku win Ballon d'Or. Apa lancau siap.
Aku cakap Declan Rice corner. Aku lebih rela dengar Beckham main corner. Orang yang takut aku rasa.
Aku macam merepek hari ni. Dia tu sakit apa
siap? Are you mad?
Evra. What do you eat in the morning?
What you drink in the morning? Dia tu dah jadi mama-mama dia. Tiba-tiba dia jadi tamil tau. Dia dah berbual gituan. Dia tu jalan Zul. Kesian siap. Okay, itu je aku boleh cakap.
Yeah, so thank you for listening. Another episode with us. We're going to see you again next week. Jangan lupa kalau anda ingin beli, jual atau sewa rumah, sila hubungi Frida Ejen Masyarakat di 918-24-201.
Frida Ejen Masyarakat. Kalau call pasti angkat. Itu masyarakat. Kalau tipu, tidak berdekat.
See ya.